I'm Namgel, and we're in Rochester, UK today to witness the UK's top Tibetan MMA fighter right now. Here with me right now, Rinchen Griffith Scholar. So today we're going to watch his first professional fight. It's going to be a madness. He's on main card, last of the night. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very positive. I've had a massive outreach from the community. Everybody's really been getting me very excited for this fight. I try and stay calm before my fights, but it's been hard when I've had so much kind of love and love thrown my way. So,
yeah. Now the community's really excited. We've got a few people coming down to watch you, and I know that your fighter's a little bit more experienced when it comes to professional fights.
Yeah, he is. He definitely has experience. Edge on me. It's my first professional fight. He's had a few professional fights. It's going to be my biggest test to date, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah, you sound ready.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
Alright, best of luck, man.
Thank you.
This is for you. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to be covering the entire fight, and we're going to have an exclusive post-match interview with the man himself. Hear how he does. Stay tuned.
Please welcome to the blue corner, representing Rinchen. As your referee. Let's go, Rinchen! Let's go, Rinchen! Round one.
We're back. The fight has been done. Rinchen is the champion again. I want to say congratulations, first of all. Easy win against a very tough opponent. How do you think the fight went?
I think it went very, very well. I got the win. He didn't make it easy, but we got the win. In these, especially to the head, I tried my best. I tried to throw a couple out there. I landed one. It was pretty good. I enjoyed the fight. It was a really good experience. Aaron is a tough competitor. I'm not taking fights against slouches or guys that are 0-0 like myself. This is his 10th professional fight. So big shout out to him for taking the fight as well. I know it's a risk when I've had a little win streak as well. But he was coming off a win as well. I've not gone out my way to choose an easy fight. I went out my way to choose a hard fight out of everybody they gave me, and I picked him for that reason, and he made it a hard fight for me. He didn't give me an easy win whatsoever, so all credit to him as well. Yeah, luckily I'm kind of unscathed. No issues, no bruises or bumps. Yeah, really.
He made it look easy. I'll be honest, it's not every day that you see the Tibetans rising up in this shape and form. MMA is not the standard for us younger Tibetans. I want to hear how exactly you got into this.
So I was training when I first started at university. I started martial arts with Taekwondo, and then I just found nearby MMA gyms that were free that I could go to because I was a broke university student. But that's my journey, and then I made a tight group of friends. We're from everywhere, It's not just Tibetans in my team of, my gym, especially in London, right? It's, I've got friends from everywhere around the world, literally everywhere around the world, of every creed and every colour, and they all support me massively. Yeah.
So for the viewers around the world, some of them will know MMA, some of them won't. Can you give a little rundown of what it exactly is?
So it's a punching, kicking, elbows, knees, submissions, wrestling, grappling. It's everything. It's all the martial arts rolled into one.
Wow. I mean, from my perspective, watching you, I was scared for the opponent at times. It was brutal, but it tells you a lot about the characters you develop mentally. Do you want to talk a little bit about the mental side of it?
You put me on the spot a little bit. I just walked out of the cage, but mentally, I'm always looking for the finish. I'm always looking to hit as accurately as I can, as hard as I can. I'm looking to set up traps, and I'm looking to get a finish, whether it's submissions on the floor, ground and pound, KOs on the feet, whatever it is.
Yeah. From my side, I was thinking, for us younger Tibetans, it's not just about getting into MMA to try and emulate your success. Like, I'm not gonna be a professional. I ain't never gonna be that good. But I'm walking out of today thinking this is something I could pick up once a week, just try it out. Instead of the typical playing football on the weekend, I might try and step into the ring, or I might try and train.
I want all Tibetans to know this, yeah? Remember, we are a warrior people, yeah? We are not a slouch people. We're not chilling, doing nothing. We are supposed to be a warrior people. Remember your roots, okay? Pick up a martial arts, all right? Well, no matter what the martial art is, pick it up. Do it. Don't have to be professional. You don't have to even be that decent, but pick it up as a hobby, okay? It will only ever push you further in the future. Strength is never a weakness.
That's a great answer. I want to say this as well. How does it feel to be raising that Tibetan flag inside the cage?
Feels amazing. Feels amazing. Bergyalo.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, that bout wraps it up. Thank you so much for your time. Congratulations again.
Thank you very much, Nanga. Thank you to everybody at home as well.